Hello everyone, Senior Junior Rips here. Just Junior bringing you another Final Fantasy Play booster. Looking for any of those really cool mythics in this set. Let's see what we get. So for this one, we will get our hero token, double-sided for a copy. And we will get started with a Chocobo Kick, Dreams of Laguna, Magitech Infantry, a Warrior Sword, Cornered by Black Mages, Laughing Mad, an Adventurer's Airship, a Showcase Kuja, Mage Manufacturer, pretty cool, an Ambrosia Whiteheart, a Demon Wall, Ignis, a Machinist Arsenal, and a Foil Heck Dies. And for our land, we're going to get Sharlayan, Nation of Scholars. I love the art and how the white and blue plays in that one. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. We'll keep them coming for you. Doing almost always one a day, if not more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.